Introduction to Company and Company Code in SAP. What is a company in the SAP with a practical example? Company. A company is the highest organizational unit in SAP for financial reporting. It represents a group of entities that consolidate their financial statements. A company can have one or more company codes associated with it. Financial statements, like balance sheets or profit and loss statements, can be created at the company level by consolidating data from its company codes. Understanding company in SAP with an example, imagine a global retail corporation named Global Mart Incorporation that operates in several countries, including the United States, Germany, and Japan. Global Mart Incorporation has three legally independent subsidiaries: Global Mart USA, based in the United States; Global Mart Germany, based in Germany; Global Mart Japan, based in Japan. Each of these subsidiaries needs to prepare its own financial statements according to the legal requirements of its country. In SAP, each of these subsidiaries can be represented as a company. What is company code in the SAP with a practical example? Company code. A company code is the smallest organizational unit in SAP for which financial accounting and legal reporting are conducted. It represents a legal entity within a company and corresponds to a country specific or region specific unit. Financial statements and reports are generated at the company code level to comply with local legal and tax requirements. Key characteristics of a company code: legal entity. A company code represents a separate legal entity, such as a subsidiary or branch, that must prepare its own financial statements and comply with local accounting standards, tax laws, and regulations. Unique identifier. It is identified by a unique four-character alphanumeric code, for example, US01 for a company code in the United States. Local reporting requirements. Each company code maintains its own set of accounting records and generates financial statements based on the country specific regulations, currency, and fiscal year variant. Day to day operations. All day to day financial transactions, such as sales, purchases, payments, and postings, are recorded at the company code level. Example of a company code in SAP S4: HANA. Imagine a multinational corporation named Global Mart Incorporation. With operations in multiple countries, each operation has a separate company code to meet local legal and financial reporting requirements. Company code US01, Global Mart USA. Description: a subsidiary of Global Mart Incorporation operating in the USA. Purpose: manages all financial transactions specific to the USA, including sales, purchases, payroll, tax filings, etc. Local reporting: prepares financial statements in USD according to US generally accepted accounting principles and local tax regulations. Transactions: all US based transactions, such as invoicing customers, paying vendors, and recording financial entries, are done under US01. Company code DE01, Global Mart, Germany. Description: a subsidiary of Global Mart Incorporation operating in Germany. Purpose: manages financial transactions specific to the German market, such as local sales, procurement, employee salaries, and statutory tax reporting. Local reporting: prepares financial statements in euro according to the German Commercial Code, HGB, and other local accounting standards. Transactions: German specific transactions are recorded under DE01, company code JP01, Global Mart, Japan. Description: a subsidiary of Global Mart Incorporation operating in Japan. Purpose: handles financial transactions specific to the Japanese market, such as local sales, vendor payments, and employee wages. Local reporting: prepares financial statements in Japanese yen according to Japanese generally accepted accounting principles and local tax laws. Transactions: all financial transactions within Japan are recorded under JP01. Relationship between company and company code in SAP S4 HANA one-to-many. Relationship: a company can have multiple company codes assigned to it, but a company code can only be assigned to one company. This is because a company code represents a specific legal entity that cannot belong to more than one parent legal entity. Consolidation. Scope: The company level is used for consolidation purposes, allowing a group of company codes under the same legal entity to produce combined financial reports. Independent accounting units. Each company code functions as an independent accounting unit. This independence allows businesses to operate flexibly across different regions while providing consolidated reporting to meet corporate governance requirements. In SAP S4 HANA, the relationship between a company and a company code is fundamental to the organization and management of financial accounting. These elements are part of SAP's organizational structure but serve different purposes. Company versus company code in SAP S4 HANA. Definition: Company, a higher level organizational unit used for financial consolidation. Company code, the smallest organizational unit for which a complete set of accounts can be created. Purpose: Company consolidates financial data from multiple company codes for group level reporting. Company code represents a separate legal entity, manages day to day financial transactions and reporting. Assignment: Company. Multiple company codes can be assigned to it. Company code belongs to only one company. Financial statements: Company consolidates financial statements from all associated company codes. Company code generates individual financial statements, balance sheet, profit and loss statement, according to local regulations. Currency: Company typically uses a group currency for consolidation, for example, USD for a global company. Company code maintains local currency, for example, Euro, Japanese yen, according to the country of operation. Conclusion: The concepts of company and company code in SAP are fundamental for structuring financial and organizational data within a business. While the company represents a higher level organizational unit used for financial consolidation, the company code serves as the smallest unit for independent financial reporting and day to day financial transactions. Thank you. If anything is unclear or you have any questions, please feel free to approach us.